If you're thinking about using Suno AI to create music, you're probably wondering whether the free, pro, or premier plan is actually worth it. After looking at all three options, here's the quick breakdown. The free plan is great if you're just testing the platform. You get a limited number of song generations each day, but it's enough to see how Suno works and experiment with ideas. The pro plan is where things get more serious. You get significantly more credits, faster access to features, and commercial usage rights, making it a solid choice for content creators, musicians, and anyone publishing music online. Then there's Premier, which is designed for power users. It offers the highest credit allowance and is ideal if you're generating lots of tracks regularly or running multiple projects. So, which one wins? For most people, Pro offers the best value. Free is perfect for beginners, Premier is great for heavy users, but Pro hits the sweet spot between cost and features.